If you are using the Chrome browser, you can download the Gamestop wallet extension. Once downloaded, turn it on and write down the secret recovery phrase. This phrase is your only way out of the Gamestop wallet, so make sure you keep it safe. Next, you will need to set up your password, which should be at least 8 characters long. After you have done this, you are ready to add funds to your wallet. This wallet uses Loopring technology to secure transactions. Loopring is a layer 2 network that sits on top of Ethereum's blockchain. This is supposed to give faster transactions and lower fees. The wallet also claims to be self-custodial. One drawback to Gamestop wallet is that it requires a password and requires users to memorize their own 12-word secret recovery phrase. In addition, the wallet's receipts can be lost and forgotten, so users should be careful when they use it. Gamestop's new wallet will compete against existing crypto wallets like Coinbase. Coinbase was launched in 2012 and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It is also compatible with NFTs. In addition, Gamestop has plans to launch its own NFT trading platform, partnering with blockchain platform Immutable X, which counts more than 30 million users around the world. Gamestop has recently launched a beta version of its Ethereum wallet, which allows users to store and send cryptocurrency and other non-fungible tokens. This wallet is currently available as a Google Chrome extension and will be rolled out to other browsers as well. It will also launch as an iPhone app in the future. FTX and Gamestop have formed a new partnership to work together on e-commerce and online marketing initiatives. The partnership aims to introduce more game-related products and services to Gamestop customers. In addition, Gamestop will carry FTX gift cards in its stores. Earlier this year, Gamestop unveiled its own NFT marketplace, where gamers can purchase digital goods from game developers and studios. As part of the partnership, Gamestop will launch an initiative aimed at encouraging developers to build Web3 games. The initiative will give developers access to $100 million to fund their projects. In addition, the two companies plan to launch a $100 million program for tech innovators. The companies plan to use the funds to integrate NFT into existing games, as well as to create new integrated games. Although this partnership is still in the early stages, Gamestop is not the first retailer to make a pivot to the future. Earlier this decade, Overstock made a number of bets on blockchain technology but eventually returned to its traditional retail business. Following the announcement of its quarterly results, Gamestop has taken a stab at the crypto industry. The company has launched an Ethereum browser wallet and has plans to roll out an NFT marketplace by September. It has also announced a $100 million development fund for its NFT marketplace. The company also partnered with Loopring, which will help develop the marketplace. While Gamestop's NFTs may be an interesting experiment, they probably won't contribute to the bottom line in the long run. The company is merely trying to capitalize on a fad that is already dying out in several markets. It's also unclear what exactly they're planning to sell. Some speculate that they will be selling gaming NFTs based on popular characters. The video game industry has previously warned against incorporating digital assets, like NFTs, into their business model. However, some analysts are skeptical. Some believe that the addition of NFTs to the GameStop marketplace will lead to anger from players. This sentiment has been seen elsewhere in the gaming industry, as many other companies have already had to deal with angry players who object to digital assets. In addition to GameStop's NFTs, the company has partnered with Immutable X to create an in-game marketplace. The Immutable X blockchain platform, for example, allows users to buy and sell NFTs at a low price. The two companies plan to launch the NFT marketplace by the end of this year. While Gamestop is not the first video game company to jump into the NFT market, their partnership with Immutable X is a major boost to the industry. Moreover, it could be the start of a trend that will see other video game publishers follow suit. In addition to Gamestop, Ubisoft has also announced an NFT platform, called Quartz. The first game to use Quartz will be Ghost Recon Breakpoint, which will allow players to earn items and currency in-game. Recently, Gamestop announced that it will be creating a $100 million fund to support Web3 game development. The fund will be used to attract developers, studios, and players to the new medium. The fund is open to game developers, AAA studios, content producers, and esports companies. The $100 million fund will be dedicated to both AAA and indie game development, as well as metaverse gaming. The fund will be created through a partnership with Immutable X, a Layer 2 scaling platform built on Ethereum. The platform will allow developers to use blockchain-based technology to develop games, with nearly instant trade execution and zero gas costs. The fund will be distributed over a 4-year period. The money will be given to game developers as they hit milestones. Immutable X has an in-house gaming studio. The fund will be used to support the creation of Web3 games and will support gaming studios and NFT creators. While Gamestop has partnered with Immutable to develop its own NFT marketplace, it will not sell NFTs built on blockchains. It will also not sell popular NFT collections. But in the future, the marketplace will support Web3 gaming and will be expanded to include Web3 wallets. Immutable X and Gamestop are creating a $100 million fund to support gaming NFT projects. The funds will be denominated in Immutable X tokens, a cryptocurrency that is worth over $200 million at current prices. Gamestop has teamed up with Immutable X, a blockchain-based platform that enables developers to create carbon-neutral economies in games. The partnership enables Gamestop to secure digital assets directly on the Ethereum blockchain. Gamestop will also offer games powered by Immutable X's platform in its stores. The partnership between Gamestop and Immutable X will make it easier for creators to create, publish, and distribute virtual goods. Immutable is a gaming studio and developer with a vibrant ecosystem that is growing quickly. The company plans to launch its marketplace sometime between the 1st of July 2022 and the 30th of June 2022. The partnership between the two companies is a significant development for the crypto space. The gaming retailer plans to create the first NFT marketplace powered by Ethereum. Immutable X will work closely with Gamestop to integrate its blockchain-based Layer 2 protocol marketplace. The partnership will also enable Gamestop to bring next-generation gaming NFT projects to its customer base. This will help to create significant participation opportunities and liquidity for all parties involved in the ecosystem. Gamestop and FTX have partnered up in a new partnership that will help them create new e-commerce and marketing initiatives. The two companies hope to bring a wider range of users to FTX. The new partnership will also make Gamestop the preferred retail partner of FTX in the US. As part of this partnership, Gamestop will begin to carry FTX gift cards in some of their stores. The two companies also announced a $100 million fund for tech innovators and developers to help them develop new games and other content. The partnership between the two companies was hinted at on the Reddit community. As part of the agreement, Gamestop will launch an NFT marketplace. It will use the Immutable X blockchain, which is a Layer 2 network that is powered by Ethereum. It will provide an ecosystem for game developers, studios, and players to transact in NFT. The new platform will allow for nearly limitless transactions and will be free to users. As a gaming retailer, Gamestop has been struggling financially for some time. Earlier this year, it lost more than $380 million and laid off a significant number of employees. It also let go of its CFO, Matt Furlong, in June. As a result, it is looking for ways to raise profits. With an NFT marketplace, Gamestop hopes to compete with the largest NFT marketplace in the world, OpenSea. In June 2022, OpenSea's NFT sales plunged 70%.